How to use Steam Offline Mode feature. The Steam Offline Mode feature allows you to play games without an active internet connection by utilizing cached log credentials and local game files. First of all, prepare while online. Go ahead and launch Steam application on your desktop when you are online. Then open the Steam login window and enter your account details and check the Remember Me box. From there, launch the specific game you wish to play offline at least once to ensure all mandatory updates, setup files, and initial launch configurations are fully downloaded. Now verify the game status. If it reads ready to play rather than showing an update queue percentage, you can now activate the offline mode. Click the Steam in the top left corner of the desktop client interface, then choose Go Offline from the vertical drop-down menu selection and restart in offline mode. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.